Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Mailchimp for email workflow sequences step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Mailchimp website. Log in to your Mailchimp account. Once logged in, navigate to your audience dashboard. If you have multiple audiences, select the one you want to work with. Locate the Manage Audience drop-down menu. Click on Sign Up Forms from the options. Choose Form Builder to create or edit your sign-up form. On the right side, select the Audience Fields and Merge Tags option. Here, you can customize the fields for your sign-up form. Once you are satisfied with the fields, click on Design It. Customize the design of your form to match your brand. After completing the design, click on Translate It if you want to offer multiple language options. Now, navigate to the Settings tab. Find the form settings and ensure the confirmation email is activated. Save all your changes to the sign-up form. Next, go back to the Audience dashboard. Click on Sign Up Forms again and select Embedded Forms. Choose the embedded form type that suits your website. Copy the provided HTML code. Now head over to your website editor. Paste the HTML code where you want the sign-up form to appear. Save and publish your website changes. Return to Mailchimp and click on Automations in the main menu. Select Email Journeys from the Automation options. Click on Create Journey to start building your email workflow. Set the conditions for the email sequence based on participant actions. Add the emails you want to send in your workflow. Customize each email with subject lines and content. Review your workflow settings to ensure everything is in order. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.